fellow pyros, firework guy here. We're going to be shooting off the Dominator Fireworks 5-inch Fancy Tails to break. You get 12 canister shells, so it comes in 2 6-packs. You get Whirlwind, Whistle, Crackle, Tiger Tail. I've already taken one out of the package, but this kind of shows you the packaging, I guess. Here's your tube. Nice fiberglass tube. And here's what the shells look like, guys. Nice numbered with the effect right on the shell. So let's go ahead and get these racked up in the rack, and I'll get these shot off for you guys. Be back.